So how do you use user secrets in Visual Studio? So in Microsoft Visual Studio for ASP.NET and .NET projects, all you need to do is right-click on your project, and then in the context menu, look for Manage User Secrets and click on it. And this should open up the secrets.json file. And in this file, you can add your secrets. So for example, API key and connection strings. And then don't forget to press File and Save to save everything. Now to use these secrets in your code, you can go to your class or code file, for example. So for example, I can go to programs.cs here, where you can find the builder, or you can get it in your class. Now to access the variables, what you can do is type builder and then configuration. And now you can, for example, access the API key by typing API key like this, which will give you access to the API key defined in the user secrets, which is this one. And you can also access other variables, such as the connection string. So by typing similar thing, builder.configuration, and this time .get connection string, and then the default connection, similar to the secrets.json file. And it should be named exactly like the key name here. So for example, I named the default connection, but it should be default. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.